Hi, this is Professor Bobby, and we're gonna test it out. Hi, this is Professor Bobby, and I recently purchased this universal stick because I used to play with my brother's Soul Calibur, and it's time to get back into the game. And this controller is compatible with so many others. So this is really a universal stick. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, this is what we got. Alright. Ta-da! There's a lot of foam here. And the joystick is nicely protected. It's gray. So you could replace this with any skin. So, you know, Street Fighter, Soul Calibur, it's black. It's meant to be a blank canvas for whatever your imagination takes you. So, we're here. And you can see, I'm just noticing it myself right now. It's rubber, which is great. So there's a lot of traction. Here's the USB port for the joystick. Taped plastic to protect it. And here is some stuff. LLS, DPRS, I don't know what that means. Turbo 1, Turbo 2, Turbo, T-pad, whatever that means, and select some other things, I don't know. Start, options, menu, mode, turbo. When I get familiarized, I'll know what this terminology means, but maybe you guys do. So, here's the stick. Seems like a normal stick. Button. Seems normal to me. So, let's try, this is actually, let me just weigh this. 5 pounds, 5.3536 pounds. Okay, bam. Now let's do the test. Now I don't know how to play this fully yet. It's been quite a while. Okay, it has an octangle gate. So I don't feel any restrictions. That's good because there is 8-way run for this game.
2 hours later.
Oh, that's guard. Oh. Oh, pretty good. I can finally play. Well, this thing is pretty good. I accept the challenge, and perhaps I could make some money on being a professional gamer. Yeah. Alright, so I'd say it's a good buy. This is $120 for this thing. I'm not sure if it's actually worth the improvement of the sanwa buttons and the lever, but the weight is good. You can put this on your lap without, you know, hurting yourself too much. And there's a audio jack for PlayStation or Xbox players, so pretty good.